Okay, let's proceed. We've got both of our floor plans done here. So now let's continue with these columns here. By the way, just you're gonna come across these words in your careers whenever you got someone who wants to sound fancy. So just so you know what they're talking about, a row of columns is called a colonnade, and a row of windows is called fenestration. Okay, so now if someone says that, you know what they're talking about. Okay, let's proceed here. Back to our exterior wall. That's what I'm going to draw the columns as. Okay, copy. Okay, copy again. Uh-oh. There's some kind of difference. The spacing between the first column and the rest of them is different. See, 12 feet and 11.3 feet, 11 foot 3 inches. So I can't really do what I wanted to the way I wanted to do it. So instead, I'm going to pick this as the base point and copy doing that. And we'll just move this one. We're not going to redraw it. We'll move it to here. Okay. Now this shows a bit of overhang here. I suppose that's why it's dashed. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to go match properties. Actually, yeah, we're going to match properties. But I still want this on exterior buildings, so I'm being a bit inefficient here. But I'm going to go here and return it to my layer. Okay, next we're going to tackle the parking lot, so let's get a new layer going. Parking. Let's do another one. Landscaping. Landscaping can be green. Okay, parking will be pink. Why not? And let's go. Okay, so we have a bit of a curb here, or a sidewalk actually. We've got a bit of a curb here, right down to here. So I'm gonna start with those. I'm gonna grab a polyline, and don't worry about the corners, we're gonna deal with those at the end. Right now we're just gonna get the broad strokes in. Oops. I messed this one up. So I'm going to start from here to here. Let's repair that. Okay. Polyline, and let's proceed. Close. Oops. Shit. So polyline. Up to here. Now we're going to say J for join. This polyline, and this single line. hopefully we end up with one line. There we go. Okay, so now we go fillet, radius 6 inches, and I'm gonna click multiple because we want to do it a bunch of times. There we go. There we go. There we go. Okay, looking good. Now we're going to do it on this side as well. Polyline. To there. To there. Fillet radius 6 inch. Uh-oh. I'm not going to enter the radius again because I think it will remember the last one we did, so I just picked multiple. There we go. Same to the other side. There is a sidewalk here as well. And a bit of a thing there. Okay. So polyline. Okay. There. And all the way to there. Fillet multiple. One here. One there. Okay, same thing one last time. Let's fillet those corners. Okay, now let's get to our parking spaces. Oh, we're going to do parking spaces in the same color. That's right. So we're going to go here to here, and now I'm going to do an offset. We know this is 8 feet. Offset 8 feet. And I'm just going to skip from one to the next, all the way to the handicap spot. That one needs to be a different width. So repeat offset 10 feet and back to 8 feet. Done. Now, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mirror this. So I'm going to give myself a guide for mirroring. Oh, no. Yeah, I can mirror these top ones, I think. Okay, delete that. Offset 8 foot. And we, oops. And we proceed to do the rest. Okay, let's move to the top one. The top one looks quite similar to this one. So let's see. They line up? Yes, they line up. So we are gonna try something pretty ambitious here. We're gonna mirror across the whole drawing. Okay. Now, when I mirror, I don't want to have this line over top of all of these other lines because I need to be able to accurately find the center. So I'm going to move it out here. I'm going to say mirror. Grab all of these guys. Unselect that. That's my center point. And no, do not delete the original. And there we go. Okay, so now we've got our parking lot as well. Landscaping is still on the menu. Where do we have that? Under L. Okay. There we go. This is pretty straightforward. I think we just basically find the center and repeat. Okay. Come on. There we go. Oh, I think they're showing the tree trunks in the form of these plus symbols, so I forgot to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna do a line here. I'm gonna copy those as well. But I'm gonna do it based on the quarter or quadrant of the circle, just to make it a bit easier, so I'm not competing with a bunch of points that I could be snapping to each that seems like it's close to the center but a little bit off. Gets a bit annoying, so I'm going to snap to the quadrants. And once again, I think what I could have done, I just thought a bit ahead. I'm going to do my mirror trick again. Okay, let's get these guys out of here. Uh-oh. There. Let's mirror everything up here. Unselect the other stuff. Oh, done. Now, one thing that still is happening here, let's turn off our parking layer for a second. There's still this dashed line that's going around the perimeter and ends here, and that's the property line. So we still have to add that. We're gonna do that one in, let's do yellow. Close. Rectangle, so from here to here, I did it in the wrong layer, so I have to click this. Property line. And now I'm gonna right click, properties. And first of all, I want to change the line type. Oh, we need more line types. We need a long dash and a short dash. Phantom, no, I think it's center that we want. Oh, there, let's take it. Center, okay. So back to this. Line type, center, and let's say 20. What will that give us? No, I think a bit more. Let's say 50. That looks pretty good to me. Okay, now we can turn our parking layer back on. there we go. Oh, we're missing 2 shrubs there, we can add that. We're missing a landscaping line here, we can add that. But other than that, I think we're in good shape. So, one landscaping line here. Okay. Copy 1, 2, 3. I'm going to grab it by the quadrant just to make it easy. There we go. Okay. Do we have a handicap symbol to insert? No. From other drawings, let's see. No, we don't have a handicap symbol. Okay, that's fine. We don't have to draw that. Okay, so we've drawn all of the actual components of this drawing. Next, we're going to tackle how to do the text, how to do the dimensions, how to put those down in an efficient way so you don't waste a lot of your time, how to do these leader arrows. Okay, those are all the things we're going to tackle next. So that's where we're going to leave it for now.